Have you ever been cruising down the road, enjoying the ride, when suddenly your motorcycle starts making a new, unfamiliar sound? Perhaps a distinct whine or whirring noise that catches your attention and makes you wonder, what on earth is that? That whining or whirring sound on your motorcycle often originates from components that are rotating at high speed or under stress. Common culprits include the drive chain, the drive belt, the transmission gears, or even bearings within the wheels or engine. The why behind these sounds typically boils down to friction, wear, and proper lubrication. When metal parts designed to move smoothly against each other begin to wear down, misalign, or lack sufficient lubrication, they generate friction that manifests as a high-pitched whine. For instance, a drive chain, which is a critical component in transferring power from your engine to the rear wheel, might whine if it is too dry, too tight, or has worn sprockets. Similarly, a drive belt on some motorcycles, if stretched or misaligned, can create a distinct whirring sound. Inside your engine or transmission, gears and bearings relying heavily on a constant film of oil to prevent metal-on-metal contact. If the oil level is low, or if the oil itself has degraded, these internal parts can start to generate noise. Worn wheel bearings, often due to water ingress or age, will also produce a noticeable whirring that increases with speed. To identify the source of the whine, you can try a few diagnostic steps. First, listen carefully to where the sound seems to be coming from while riding at different speeds. Does it change with engine speed or with road speed? If the sound changes with engine revolutions per minute but not necessarily road speed, it might be engine or transmission related. If it changes with road speed regardless of the gear you are in, it could be a wheel bearing or drive component. Visually inspect your chain or belt for proper tension and lubrication. Check your engine oil level and condition, and if you are comfortable, you can carefully try to spin your wheels off the ground to listen for bearing noise. Always ensure your bike is securely on its stand for any such inspection. Understanding the specific type of whining or whirring can give you a lot of insight. A dry chain might produce a high-pitched squeal that is easily fixed with proper chain lubricant. A worn wheel bearing often starts as a low hum that gradually increases in volume and pitch, sounding almost like a jet engine at higher speeds. The sound of a gearbox issue can be more complex, sometimes accompanied by difficulty shifting or clunking. Recognizing these nuances helps narrow down the problem, ensuring you can address it effectively and keep your motorcycle running smoothly. Paying attention to these early warning signs and performing basic checks will not only help you troubleshoot that pesky whine but will also extend the life of your motorcycle's critical components. Regular maintenance of your drive system and keeping an eye on your fluid levels are simple habits that translate into a safer, quieter, and more reliable ride, letting you enjoy the open road with confidence and peace of mind.